Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can sign up for Robinhood Banking and cash sweep features. If you want to use Robinhood for your banking needs, cash management, and high-yield interest options, the process is integrated directly into the platform. Whether you are looking to access the cash sweep program or manage your funds through Robinhood's expanded banking ecosystem, everything starts with an active Robinhood account. First, you need to download the official Robinhood app on your mobile device from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have an account, open the app and log in using your credentials. If you are a brand new user, you will need to tap on the sign up option and provide your personal information, including your legal name, residential address, date of birth, and social security number, to comply with standard identity verification regulations. Once your brokerage or individual investing account is created and approved, you can unlock the platform's banking and high-yield cash features. To access the cash sweep program, open the app and tap the account icon or menu button. Navigate to the investing tab or look for the cash sweep section. Many of these enhanced banking features, such as earning competitive annual percentage yields on uninvested cash, require a subscription to Robinhood Gold. If you aren't a Gold member yet, the app will prompt you to review the subscription terms and upgrade your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to review the agreements, enable the cash sweep feature, or sign up for auxiliary banking applications. Make sure your identity verification documents are fully submitted if requested by support, as pending verifications can delay your feature activation. Once enabled, your uninvested cash can automatically route through partner banks to earn interest while remaining accessible for your investment strategies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.